Megan, you know I wouldn't do that.
Yeah.
Put my pillows back.
Give me my bear back first.
Well, I had more pillows, so you gotta put the pillows back first.
There, I'll give you a pillow. Here
I
you go.
said put them back.
Okay, here.
You guys are crazy.
Freaking Megan.
Freaking Kira!
I'm not messing around anymore.
Who killed
Oh.
your phone?
Who killed your phone?
Yeah, it's like dead.
That one right there. You keep almost hitting me.
I just come plunging jump on her.
Wait.
Oh God, here we go.
Don't make my
Fight.
Oh, wow, that really hurts.
My monkey kill you. Monkey attack. Why are you blinking? Don't cover your face. I think
Well, I'm covering my face with your bear. You do that, it's just hurting your little stretch.
Bears don't have feelings, you moron.
Then why do you want it back?
'Cause it's mine.
Oh my god. She like lemurred off the floor. Granny, that was a monkey spring. She a monkey sprung off the floor.
You get better angles.
Get out, get out.
Megan freaking monkey sprung off the floor.
Oh my god, get her! Megan, now!
My teddy. Give me the teddy bear. My teddy!
Take your freaking idea card off!
Thank you. What is that? The new reject? What?
Oh my god.
Wait,
Chris?
she's trying to tell me something.
Chris,
Okay.
we're leaving?
Okay, hold on.
Fight's over? That sucks.
Manny?
What's wrong?
So, Kira, you're not coming.
Nothing. Get out.
Why?
No.
Get